welcome to Stay Clock. So today we will open the Raspberry Pi computer kit, and it's the whole set. So let's open the tiny computer. It came in a tiny box. And, it's not open. So this computer is a 64-bit Cortex A72 processor. It's in the newer updates. Raspberry got the 64-bit support, and it's in beta, I think so. So this exact model is 8 gigabytes in RAM, and it supports 2 micro HDMI ports, which is up to 4K 60 FPS. So this is small but so powerful kind of. So it has 2 USB 2.0 ports and 1 USB 2.0 ports. And so next is a gigabyte Ethernet port, 802.11b/G/N/AC wireless, Bluetooth 5.0, PoE capable, requires PoE hat or salt separately, 5V 3 amp USB power supply required salt separately. So let's open this. Okay, so let's open the box. So this tab right here. Oh my god. Here is the Raspberry Pi itself. It's the Raspberry Pi, and there's all the pins, and here's the ports that I mentioned: the gigabit Ethernet, 2 USB 3.0 and 2 USB 2.0. And here's the 2 micro HDMIs. You need to get an adapter for it. Here's the power port, not for. You can use it for USB. If you have a USB dongle, you can use it, but you do not recommend it. So here's something I can't know what it's like. I think it's a lens changeable, and here's the 3.5mm jack I suppose. So this is the Raspberry Pi for you. And now let's open the big box right here. So okay, so first that's like this. So let's open the box. Here is the oh, here is the Raspberry Pi official power adapter, and here is the Raspberry Pi case. I'll show that in a moment. Here's the official mouse of it, and there's more. Stuck. Oh, here's the Raspberry Pi SD card. Okay, so the 2 same Raspberry Pi HDMI ports. I'll show you, and I will just use one. Here's the Raspberry Pi keyboard. And here's the Raspberry Pi book. So big, right? 247 pages. I'm not using this. It's nice to have. So this, let's open the SD card that it gave us. So it came with the custom Raspberry Pi adapter, also the micro SD card, and here's the SD card that they gave you, but I don't know if you get the exact one. It's a SanDisk Edge 16 gigabytes SD card. So let's move on with the things. Here's the Raspberry Pi official case. here's the bottom feed stickers, it's inside it, so don't miss it. Just put it right there. And let's open the official power adapter. And okay, it's a really good power adapter. It's kind of matte, right? Here's the USB Type-C, and I don't know if you can use this USB Type-C charger for everything, so I don't know what's going to happen if you use that. So here's the mouse of it, and this is the official mouse for it. So quickly, okay, let's open it out. Okay. So USB mouse memory, it's pretty good. Yes, it's currently put it right here. Let's see that. And okay. Okay. So here's the Raspberry Pi keyboard. It's a really good keyboard actually. And here's the here's the cable for it actually. It's a Type B cable. Open it for you to show it. Cable of it. So this thing is plugged into that. And here's a book for it. Just a user manual, which is really big. It's actually not. It's just a book, not a user manual of it. So let's see how to install it. What are the accessories it came, so that type of stuff. So thank you guys for watching. In a soon video, I'm gonna set this up and I'm going to show you what our OS is and how it performs. And wait, stop. So you might be thinking this video is complete, but it's not, because the Raspberry Pi 4 video, which we are watching right now, didn't have a complete ending. It just stopped with "and." I don't know what happened to the rest of the ending. Just missing. I don't know. So let me give one now. Thank you guys for watching this simple Raspberry Pi 4 and desktop kit unboxing video. Well, I would have created an installation video where I would set up the Raspberry Pi, install the operating system, give an walkthrough of its technical things other than its specs. So I would have done that, but it's missing. I don't know where it went, and it's missing for almost 2 years or something. And this video, and along with a lot of other videos, are not uploaded to YouTube except this one which you are watching now. So I'll try to upload all of that videos in this 2 months, and I'll also give some reviews about our other products as well. So stay tuned for that. So make sure you comment, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.